welcome to this video. My name is Mark Scythian. The date today is June 26, 2024. In this video, we're going to cover the law of cosines in trigonometry. So assume you have a scalene triangle for which no two sides or angles are in equality. So we have angle A, capital A, with its projected side, little a, and we'll say it's 15 inches in length. Then we have angle B, capital B, projecting side, little b, and let's say that side is 12.5 inches in length. Then we have angle capital C, projecting side C. So you might run into a problem which requires you to solve for side C or little c. So other than the law of sines, we can also use the law of cosines. But prior to starting any of these trig problems, find out if there's additional information you can solve for based on the information presented. So we actually can solve for angle B because all triangles, regardless if they are equilateral, isosceles, scalene, or right triangles, all triangles always have 180 degrees. So if we subtract the sum of 32 and 110 degrees from 180, we can quickly calculate the value of angle B, which is 38 degrees. So that is kind of a technique to data mine all information you can solve without any particular mathematical fundamental first, based on axioms such as all triangles have 180 degrees. So next we present the law of cosines. So if we want to know the value of side little a, just like we start the Pythagorean theorem with the b squared plus c squared. So if we were going to solve for just a, not a squared, it would be the square root of b squared plus c squared. But then we subtract 2 times side little b and then multiply times side little c, then multiply times the cosine value of angle A. So we're able to rearrange the law of cosine such that we can solve for the complementary sides and angles other than the given side itself. So B would be a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times cosine angle capital B, or angle B. And then C, you have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine C, or cosine angle C, capital C. So that being said, we can substitute the information. So b squared, 15 squared, 15 inches squared actually, plus 12.5 inches squared minus 2 times 15 inches times 12.5 inches, then times the cosine value of 38 degrees. So if we solve with relevance to the mathematical order of operation, multiplication, exponents, parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, we then get the square root of 85.75, which is 9.26. So side C is equal to 9.26 inches. And a practical example using the law of cosines in trigonometry.